Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy iOS Gaming here, and I'm back again with another money making video. So today I'll be doing a cash out on PrizeRubble. So let's get into the video. And here we go. Let's go to PrizeRubble. And I'm still looking for worldwide videos, guys. And I'm still trying to find worldwide money making websites that pays. I just don't want to upload something to you guys that doesn't pay. As you guys can see, I've made $22 today, and I'm about to do a $22 cash out in PayPal. So let's go to rewards. Let's type in PayPal right here, and I get this payment in about an hour and a half. And I'm gonna show you guys what I do to make all this money. Let's try 23. I think I can make $23. Yep, I can cash out $23 in PayPal. As you guys can see, I just cashed out. And there you go. Boom. See right here. It will take 30 minutes to go to my PayPal account. As you guys can see, 23 bucks. Use all the money I cashed out for the past week. $22, $6, $36, $20, $10, and $23. And I'll make all this money from offer walls. You guys can see I came over here and do a couple of these. As you guys can see, this one right here, this is the one that I like. 1 minute you can make 35 points. It is so awesome for you guys to make at least $10 to $25 a day with this. You know how long it takes to make sometimes 30 bucks a day at a normal job. It takes a long time. If I come in here, I search around, I find the easy stuff that can be done easily. I come down here, I watch a couple of videos. You guys can see unlimited videos. You make unlimited points. So let's go to my PayPal. I should receive the payment right now. So let's go to PayPal. Just show you guys some payment proof. Let's go log into my PayPal. Give me 1 moment so I can log into my PayPal, so I can show you guys payment proof, how quick I received the payment. So let's go to my PayPal account, and boom, as you guys can see right here, payment received May the 3rd from PrizeRubble. As you guys can see, it is that easy to cash out from PrizeRubble. It is so easy, guys, to make money from this website. I just received my $23 in like seconds. As soon as I cash out, I got paid. And I made this money in about an hour just by searching through the app. As I said, the website, I meant the website. It is so easy, guys. It is so easy to make money with this website. Y'all need to get down and grinding with this website. It is easy. You can come on here, search through stuff. You don't have to stick to the one page. Like, don't just stick to one page. Search, find something that's easy to be doing, something that's easy to get done, and try do it, get it done. This right here makes $6 just for downloading this app, and reach level 10 you get $6 just for that. Just to play a game you get $6. This one right here is $7. The swag box, I know people don't like swag box anyway. This right here, you get rewards from this website, and you still get rewards from this website. That's all for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video, and comment for any questions. And for the people that's asking for worldwide videos and worldwide websites, I'm really trying, guys. It's just so hard to find a perfect website that pays, and I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. I want you guys to make the easy money as I make the easy money. You know what I'm saying? It is that easy. But you guys can check out video walls also. They have these engage me videos. They got video loyalty. You get 60. You send there, you get 0.60 points for every 13 ads watched. It can be completed unlimited times a day and auto plays. Your points will be credited after 13 watches. So after you watch 13 ads, you will get a lot of points for that. So this run all day. It is that easy, guys. It runs all day. You will get your points. It's not no scam. Right here, watch your favorite videos, earn 0.66 points for every 4 ads. Watch it. Can be completed unlimited times a day and autoplays. Your points will be credited after that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grind on this website tonight, and I'm gonna do Earn Honey tomorrow. Let's try cash out. Let's just look at Earn Honey. I know most people don't say, well, what's wrong with Earn Honey? I still have Earn Honey. I've been making a lot of money from this website. So you guys can see they pay over $400 million to customers and people like us. And this is my favorite video watching website. As you guys can see, I have $30 just sitting there, and I can cash it at $30. And I'm gonna show you the redemption, what they have, what kind of redemption. So right here you go to standard redemption. And these they have Visa, Earn Honey Visa, and they got Amazon and PayPal. As you guys can see, I can hit this $10 PayPal, or I can hit this $25 PayPal, but I'm just saving up to $100. I can do that in a few days. So it is easy on here. All you guys have to do is click watch and earn right here. Click this little nurse looking guy right here, or a doctor, whatever, and just open the multiple tabs with the same video running. And once you do that, you make a lot of money. As I said, this website is free. Let me show you some redemption history. So right here, I made $77 in 2017, in late 2017, and this year I made $55 already in 2018. Now I have $30 right here again, and I made this in 2 days. I made this 30 bucks in 2 days, and you guys can too. I made that in 2 days, $30. So I made $15 a day just by watching videos. And Prize Rubble, I made what, $23 today just by coming here and watch a couple of videos. As I said, this is the best part of video watching, is the video loyalty. They powered by Earn Honey, so you get a lot of points right here. So what you need to do is click it, right? Just come on here, click it, and open up another tab. That's it. And once you open up the other tab, all the videos will keep playing, and you can leave it running all night. I purchased the laptop today to start earning more with this website, because I see this website are really passive. You can make a lot of money with this. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll reply as soon as possible, and I'm here to help you guys for anything. If you guys want gift card giveaways, I have a lot of giveaways. Just let me know if you guys want some free cash. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's your boy iOS Gaming. I'm out. Peace.